Oh my God, it's so good. Guys, you're gonna love this. You're gonna thank me later, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. It's time for your drink of the week. Today, I am teaching you how to make a caramel apple margarita in honor of Halloween, all right? So today's episode is sponsored by our friends out at Main Street Wine and Spirits out in Countryside. Guys, they were kind enough to give us this gorgeous bottle of tequila to make today's recipe. It is the El Tesoro Reposado 7 Guys collection. So head on over there, get the bottle of tequila. You're gonna love it. I love it. Tell them Jenna sent you. You won't leave disappointed. Supplies: simple syrup, apple cider, triple sec, the El Tesoro Reposado 7 Guys collection, classic caramel syrup, caramel sauce, apple. You're gonna need a plate of this. It's every kid's dream, okay? It is cinnamon and sugar. That is what we are going to put on the rim of this drink. So first step, guys, you're gonna put on a plate the caramel sauce. All right, so guys, you're going to take the glass, you're gonna put it in kind of just like a rocks glass, okay? You're going to dab it with all of that gorgeous, delicious caramel, okay? Like so. And then you're gonna bring it up here. Next, guys, non-alcohol to alcohol. 1 ounce of apple cider into our tin. Next, we are going to do half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of triple sec. Hear me clear when I say this, a splash. You're not gonna wanna do more. It is extremely sweet, just a splash, that's it. 2 ounces of the El Tesoro Reposado 7 Guys collection, all right? Add some ice. What do I always say? I feel like I'm a teacher right now. If you're making this for others, don't use your hands. Guys, take our glass that has all of the deliciousness. Put it on in. I forgot an ingredient, club soda. Okay, you're gonna add a little bit more ice on top. Top it off, careful when opening it. Just a splash of club soda on top. I think it just adds a nice little flavor. Take an apple slice, put it right there. Ladies and gentlemen, your drink of the week, a caramel apple margarita. I don't know if it's like the cinnamon and sugar on the rim. Oh my God.